Hello traders, welcome back to your channel The Traders Flight. So if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the subsequent videos of my analysis. So without wasting time, let's begin the weekly analysis, which is from Monday 12th of June till 18th. This is the chart of a monthly gold, and as we have seen previously, this is a historical resistance and market is currently testing that historical resistance. And so after the movement or after the impulse, market is trying to sustain at that level, and possibly it will create a bearish moment here. So if you see here, let me show you guys one thing. So after the bearish formation, market might come down here and market might take some support and try to follow some price action movement, right? And then it can show some bearish signs. So let's move to the weekly time frame, because monthly is pretty clear and it is forming a bearish. Okay, so in the weekly time frame, if you look about same thing after the impulse, so market started from this level, go up, then after the impulse, market is kind of following ascending trend line, and then after that it broke this trend line, went down, right? So that's where it is kind of showing some bearishness, because this ascending channel, it is kind of shows where the price is kind of an exertion pattern, or maybe buyers are present till this, and then after that, though it is all kind of also a historical resistance zone, so all the sellers might jump in, and all the candles, if you see, there are big wicks present, right? And so that means there are more sellers present at this area, and that's how they want to sold the market, right? And that's the reason why it broke this channel and went down, and right now it is taking support of this level, which is why it is taking support of this level, because previously so many times if you see this area, this zone, right, this act as a support for the market. When market came down from the top of this channel, it took support from the bottom channel, and that's how this area created as a support, and right now market is taking support from that level. And if market breaks this zone and fall down, then market might go to the newer lows, right? So let's go to the daily time frame and see how market is behaving. So right now for the market, let me just expand the chart a little bit more so that it will be easy to. So current after the breaking the channel, what we have seen in the weekly time frame, now market is moving in a range. If you see the upper range, what we have discussed, it is a 1980 to 85, and the lower range, it is from 1933 area to 1939 area, right? So that's the support. Right now after the breakdown, market is kind of following this range bound movement, and we have seen even if Friday there's a close somewhere around 1961 level, and if market went up and show some bearishness, then there's a high probability market will fall down, right? So from here, if you see Monday or Tuesday, market went up and again go till that level where it went up, and then from there we might see some bearish patterns that it will follow, right? That way we can see the market, right? So but again, there are high volatile news also this week, and those are very, very important. If you see the Forex calendar, then Monday probably little late night, we see the bond auction. That's the medium volatility news, but the high volatility news will start from Tuesday, which is June 13. The one of the major one is the CPI data, and we have seen in the past CPI data is very much impact on the DXY, and similarly it also impacts on the gold chart. So the core CPI, and then we have a PPI data, as well as we have FOMC meetings, and also definitely from Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday the price movement on the volatility will be super high. And based on that, even if Friday also we have unemployment claims, and then these couple of news are present, consumer sentiments and all. So the next week start till 16th, it will be heavily volatile market. And if you are a new trader, do not trade during the news time. If you're experienced trader, manage your stop loss, manage with your risk and reward, with your capital. Do not lose your hard earned money. Maybe I can say maximum take a $5 as a SL during the news channel, the maximum one to, and just to cover and make sure you will not lose out. And don't do any psychological or kind of, I can say, always follow the market, be reactive in the market. Don't blindly analyze the market and predict things, because nobody can predict the market 100%, right? It is all probability. And the best thing is, and the winner is, who is the thinking of a reactive thinking, I can say, right? Because market, if it is moving upward direction, then you have to think in upward direction. If market moving downward direction, then you have to move the downward direction. And during the news, there's a problem. So technically we have analyzed that market is taking resistance from this zone and it has to fall down. So in the news time, market do not really focus on the technicals, it is more focused on the fundamentals. So during news time, fundamentals takes the priority. Probably a couple of minutes or maybe couple of hours, it is following that trend, right? And as a reactive trader, we should follow that trend, and based on that we have to do our positions, right? It could be a bearish position or it could be a bullish position. So but let's move to the intraday without wasting the time. So I hope Friday the levels worked very well. It went up, and the dynamic resistance area from 1970 1972, it took the rejection, and I hope couple of pips we got, and it fall down to this, right, around 1956. So there's a good I think 10-15 points we got from here, and then market closes around 1960-61 zone. And let's see how Monday it shows. And Monday is obviously a little less volatile days. From Tuesday onwards, market will show some big candles, and that will be good for the traders, because volatility is definitely required for trading. So let's see how market behaves. As of now, the levels are the same, and this is a 1985 level is kind of a resistance zone as of now. Market, if it's successfully crossed above 1985, then we might see 1990 and 2000 levels. And if it breaks down 1950, then we can go as a short side, and the immediate support for the market is 1940 1938 level, and below 33 we might see some downfall around 1920 and 1900, and below 1900, because that is kind of a round figure, and below 1900 we might see 1870, right? So let's see with the news, with the fundamental, with the technical, how market behaves. We have to analyze and we have to do our tradings. So thank you everyone, happy trading, bye bye.